If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate secant A. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 4, A, B, C, right angle at B. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4, that is vertical side V is equal to 3K by hypotenuse, that is H is equal to 4K. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is equal to 4K, that is 4K whole square, is equal to AB square plus BC is equal to 3K whole square. 16K square is equal to AB square plus 3K whole square, 9K square. AB square is equal to 16K square minus 9K square. AB is equal to root of 16K square minus 9K square, that is 7K square. AB is equal to root 7K. Root 7K. AB is equal to root 7K. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse by base, that is equal to 4K divided by root 7K, that is equal to 4 by root 7. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Cos A is equal to root of 1 minus sin square A is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus sin square A is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus sin A is equal to 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4 whole square is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square, that is 9 by 16 is equal to 1 by root of 16 minus 9 by 16 is equal to 1 by root of 16 minus 9, that is 7 by 16 is equal to 1 by root 7 by 4 is equal to 4 divided by root 7. Therefore, secant A is equal to 4 by root 7.